Hi everybody, glad to see you. It's a very nice place, and this is the San Francisco, because in one of my office plus 35 degrees, and in another my office minus 35 degrees. It's too hot or too cold, and here in San Francisco very good conditions. And I want to introduce you our projects, but first I want to say a couple of words about me. My name is Eugenie, and I'm a game developer. I did it more than 15 years. I have more than 30 million gamers in my own games, and and I have the problem because most of these guys not pay. Less than 10% want to buy something in the game. And this is the problem for me. This is the problem for him, for them. Because they have don't have an advantage like another gamers. Couple of words about sharing economy, because it's very similar like our project. We know about some problems. You have much more goods and items than you can use efficiency. For example, for me, I have 5 connected devices. Smartphone, I'm using about 15 hours per day. My tablet, I'm using about 2-3 hours per day. My laptop, I can use maybe 5 hours. And my very expensive, very powerful gaming PC computer, I'm using maybe 2 or 3 hours per week. And another time it's not working. And we want to solve this problem. Just a moment. Yeah. Game market, maybe you know, it's more than 2 billion gamers in the world, more than $100 billion per year. And another market is high-performance computing market. It's more than $35 billion per year. We want to connect these two markets. We are using gamers' PCs to make some computation for these guys, and it will good for both sides. How it works? Gamers provide free this is our platform. Gamers provide free their PCs. High-performance customers pay for the computing in tokens. And game developers receive payment for HPC by their gamers' PCs. And the gamers receive valuable in-game reward from the game developers. Main point here is for a game developer, approximately average rate per user may be $0.5 per each. And it depends. If we want to give them reward, we want to pay for developers just maybe $1 and to get their gamers' PCs for computation. Scope of application of the free projects. We can use it for any types of video rendering and deployment of nodes over blockchain projects, and processing large arrays of data and many scientific and engineering calculations. We already have a good partner in partner and clients. For example, HPC Hub, this is one of our general partners. They made some kind of cloud calculations. They are working with their geological and another calculations, and they can use our system for their tasks. IBM Technologies, this is our first first client or first partner, they gave us their engineers, and now we have good collaborations with them. Healthy Tail. This is a project about pets. We want to make. They want to make all pets happy and have a long life, and we have many tasks from there about for our systems. Our roadmap. We started this project in 2015, but I have had this idea in 2006, but don't have enough technologies. When we started in 2015, we made the prototype, we made the MVP on our own gamers, and in August 2017, we already raised $1 million on first round of ICO. And now we are started second round private sale of our tokens. And in March, we want to start project. After that will be end of our ICO. This is a little bit about our games. How I said, we have more than 30 million gamers in our own games, and in games of our partners, we have more than 100 million gamers. It's our partners, Red Machine, Tanky Online, Pentagames, this is about Alavar, this is about games, and Tencent, Tata, Yodo, not Yodo, University, and this is our partner with another site. We have the international team. We have offices in Singapore, Chennai in India, Kazakhstan, and Russia. We work in 24 hours per day because we have different hours lines. That's it. This is contacts. If you have some questions, if you want to ask something, you can do it here or later.